For doing exercise 19D, trigonometric functions, our question is differentiate the following with respect to x. So first question is sine 5x. So for finding differentiation of sine 5x, that is d by dx of sine 5x, we should know the formula of sine x. D by dx of sine x we should know. So we have the formula d by dx of sine x is equal to what? Cos x. So these are the formula. D by dx of cos x is minus sine x. D by dx of tan x is sec square x. D by dx of cot x is minus cosec square x. And d by dx of sec x is sec x tan x. And d by dx of cosec x is equal to minus cosec x cot x. So here we have to apply which formula? D by dx of sine x is equal to cos x. Our question is d by dx of sine 5x. So it will be what? Cos 5x into 1 5 is there. So that 5 we have to multiply here. Our formula is d by dx of sine x is equal to cos x. So our question is d by dx of sine 5x. So sine x formula is cos x. So sine 5x will be cos 5x. This 5 we have to multiply here. So cos 5x into 5 will be 5 cos 5x. Similarly, second question, cos 8x is equal to d by dx of cos 8x is what? Cos, formula for cos is minus sin x. So minus sin x means here sin instead of x we have 8x. So minus sin 8x, this 8 we have to multiply. So it will become minus 8 sin 8x. Question number 3, sin 5x plus 9. So sin x is what? D by dx of sin x is cos x. So cos 5x plus 9. Then we have differentiated the sine of 5x plus 9. So separate we have to differentiate. So sine of 5x plus 9 is what? Cos 5x plus 9. And next term is what? 5x plus 9. So this 5x plus 9, this with respect to x we have to do. So with respect to x means x differentiation of x is what? 1. So 5 into 1. So that 5 into 1 we have to write here. So cos 5x plus 9, that is the differentiation of sine 5x plus 9. So that much over, and remaining is 5x plus 9. That also we have to differentiate. So 5x plus 9 will become what? 5 into differentiation of x is what? 5 into d by dx of x 1. So 5 into d by dx of x is 1. 5 into 1. So it will become 5. So 5 into cos 5x plus 9. And in question number 4, text back answer is entirely different. But please check it while you are doing. So 4 into cos 2x minus 3. D by dx of 4 into cos 2x minus 3 is 4. Let it be there. And cos of 2x minus 3 is what? Minus sine 2x minus 3. Similarly, as a previous question 3. 2x minus 3 also we have to differentiate. So 2x minus 3 if we differentiate means 2 into d by dx of x is what? 1. We know constant is 0. So we don't want to write that is 3. Differentiation of 3 is 0. No, constant 0. So 2 into d by dx of x is what? 1. So 2 into 1. That 2 only we wrote here. And we multiply 4 into 2, 8. This negative here, sine 2x minus 3. But the text back answer is entirely different from this. Question number 5. Tan 7x. So we know tan x is equal to what? D by dx of tan x is sec square x. So tan 7x will become what? Sec square 7x into that 7 we have to multiply. So 7 into sec square 7x. Then cot nx. Cot x is formula is what? Minus cosec square x. So here n is there. So it will become minus cosec square nx. That n also we have to multiply. So minus is there. Minus n cosec square nx. Then 7th question. Tan 6x plus 11. Tan of d by dx of tan x is what? Sec square x. So it will be sec square 6x plus 11. Then again we have to differentiate 6x plus 11. No. So 6x plus 11. D by dx of x is what? 1. So 6 into 1 plus this will become 0. So that 6 we wrote here. So 6 into sec square 6x plus 11. Then question number 8. Sin x by 3. D by dx of sin x by 3 is sin is what? Cos. Cos x by 3. Then again we have to do this part. D by dx of x. X is what? 1. So it will become 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 into cos x by 3. Next question number 9. Sec mx. D by dx of sec x is what? Sec x tan x. sec x tan x. So sec mx will be sec mx tan mx, and m also we have to multiply. Separate this one. Full first we will write sec mx, that differentiation. Then separate this one mx. Mx means x differentiation is what? 1. So m into 1. So m into sec mx into tan mx. Then question number 10. Sec x by 2 minus 1. Sec x, we know differentiation of sec x is sec x tan x. So sec x by 2 minus 1 into tan x by 2 minus 1. Then similarly this part also we have to differentiate. So x by 2 will become differentiation of x. D by dx of x is what? 1. So 1 by 2, and we know minus 1 constant is what? 0. Differentiation of constant is 0. So x by 2 minus 1. So 1 by 2 minus 0 will become. So we will get only 1 by 2. So sec x by 2 minus 1 into tan x by 2 into this 1 by 2 we have to do. So 1 by 2 into sec x by 2 minus 1 into tan x by 2 minus 1. Next cosec 2 by 3x. So it will become d by dx of cosec 2 by 3x we have to find out. Cosec x is what? Cosec x cot x. So cosec 2 by 3 x into cot 2 by 3. Similarly 2 by 3x also we have to differentiate. So our formula is what? D by dx of cosec x is what? Minus cosec x cot x, that we wrote, and 2 by 3x. So it will become x differentiation of x is what? 1. So 2 by 3 into cosec 2 by 3x. So this is 2 by 3. 2 by 3x into cot 2 by 3x. Okay. Then next one is question number 12. We are not using this method. We are using the product rule. Question number 12. So first we will discuss about what is product rule. Product rule and quotient rule, it is in exercise 19C. So it is a mixed exercise. 19D is a mixed exercise of 19C and 19D. So for doing this problem, first we should know about the product rule. That is different derivatives of the product of two functions. So two functions are there. Suppose u and v are the two functions. So we will take this u as a first function and v we will take as a second function. So how can we differentiate these two functions? So this will be the first function and this will be the second function. U first function and v as the second function. So our formula is first function into first function. So first function is u. First function into derivative of the second function. Derivative of the second function means dv by dx. Derivative of the second function plus second function into, second function is v. Second function into derivative of the first function, du by dx. So how can we say? First function into derivative of the second plus second function into derivative of the first. So first function into derivative of the second, derivative of the second plus second function into derivative of the first. This is known as a product rule. After that we will discuss about the quotient rule. So in question number 12 we are using this method. So we will take a, we have to find out what? X into sin x, d by dx of x into sin x. So first we will take x as a first function and sin x as a second function. So what is our formula? First function into derivative of the first function into derivative of the second plus second function into derivative of the first. Second function, this is the first function and this is a second function. Okay, first function into derivative of the second plus second function into derivative of the first. So how can we write? First function means x into derivative of the second means sin x, d by dx of sin x is what? Cos x, plus second function is what? Sin x. Sin x as sin x itself into derivative of the first means d by dx of sin x is what? D by dx of x. Sorry, d by dx of x is what? 1. So first function into derivative of the second plus second function into derivative of the first. So x into cos x plus sin x into 1. So x cos x plus sin x. Similarly, question number 13. Here also we can, there are two functions. X square is one function and cos 5x is another function. So first function into derivative of the second plus second function into derivative of the first. So first function is x square. Cos x into derivative is what? Cos x derivative minus sin 5x into 5 plus second function is what? Cos 5x. Cos 5x into what is the derivative of the x square? X square derivative is 2x. That is x raised to n. X raised to n is equal to n x raised to n minus 1. No, d by dx of x raised to n is what? N x raised to n minus 1. So cos 5x into 2x. So it will become minus this 5 here, this x square, then sin 5x plus 2x first, then cos 5x. So this is a final answer. Okay. Similarly, question number 14. There are two functions, root x and cosec 5x plus 7. We didn't discuss about a root x derivative. So root x, derivative of root x is, along with that formula, please add d by dx of root x. Formula is 1 by 2 root x. Already we wrote up to this. Please write d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. This is a formula for finding root x. Okay. Similarly, one more formula. D by dx of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, and we know d by dx of x is 1. Okay. Now we discuss d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So that keep in mind. So now we are discussing about the product rule. So which are the two functions, root x and cosec 5x plus 7. So what we discuss, first function into derivative of the second. Derivative of the second means we have to find out the derivative of cosec 5x plus 7. Cosec x is what? Minus cosec x cot x. So minus cosec 5x plus 7 into cot 5x plus 7 into this function also we have to differentiate. No. So it is 5 into 5. So first function into derivative of the first function into derivative of the second plus second function into, second function will be cosec 5x plus 7. This is the second function, cosec 5x plus 7, cosec 5x plus 7, second function into derivative of the first. So now we discuss derivative of root x is what? 1 by 2 root x. So root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x. Okay, so some adjustment we will do. So 5, already one negative here. So 5 we will take it here. Then this root x, cosec 5x plus 7 into cot 5x plus 7 plus, first we will write 1 by 2 root x, cosec 5x plus 7. Next, for doing this, we have to do the quotient rule. This we will do later, question number 15. I will explain quotient rule in another video. So we will do question number 15 in another video. Okay. Question number 15, 16, then 17, 18, we have to do using the quotient rule. So that I will discuss on another video. And question number 19, please check it. Question number 19. So d by dx of sin x, that we know. Sin x is what? Sin x, d by dx of sin x is cos x. So it will be sin 2x will be cos 2x into this 2 you have to multiply. That is question number 19. Then question number 20, cos 3x. D by dx of cos x is what? Minus sin x. So here 3x. So similarly, minus 3 into sin 3x. That is cos 3x is minus 3x. That means minus sin 3x. Into that 3 also we have to multiply. Then tan 2x is d by dx of tan 2x. Tan x is sec square x. So tan 2x means sec square 2x. Into that 2 also we have to multiply. So it will be 2 sec square 2x. Here d by dx of sin x by 2. Same as the previous question. Sin x by 2 will be d by dx of sin x by 2 is cos x by 2 into this x by 2 also we have to differentiate. So x differentiation of x is 1. So into 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2 into cos x by 2. Then question number 23. Similarly, sec x. D by dx of sec x we know. It is sec x is what? Sec x tan x. So sec ax will be sec ax into tan ax. Then this ax also we have to differentiate. So into a into sec ax into tan ax. Then question number 24, sec px plus q. So d by dx of sec px plus q is sec x is sec x tan x. Sec x is sec x tan x. So here sec px plus q is sec px plus q into tan px plus q. Then differentiation of px also we have to do. That is p into d by dx of x is 1. So p into 1. You know q, differentiation of q. Q is a constant, so that will be 0. So we don't want to write that q. So keep that in mind, okay. Then question number 25. Tan 4x minus 7. So d by dx of tan x is what? Sec square x. So here tan 4x minus 7 will be sec square 4x minus 7. This 4 also we have to multiply. So 4 into sec square 4x minus 7. So these are the 25 questions in this exercise 19D. So exercise 19D completed, and 3 or 4 questions are pending that I will give you in the next video, that is using the quotient rule. Okay.